Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a Magnifica XS with us in the shop. And I came in due to the issue of dripping from the exhaustion valve of the mechanical valve on this machine. And so naturally, if you were to buy like a brand new one, or if you were to just use the machine, what would happen is that you would, you'll start your shot, it'll grind your coffee, and then it would move the brew unit into brew position, priming the mechanical valve, which would offset a little bit of water on the drip tray here. You can kind of see a little drip from my last brews. Now, you're meant to see this drip before the shot and after the shot, but not during, as in not constantly dripping throughout the entire shot. And pretty much what that's doing is just relieving the pressure that's inside the mechanical valve. This customer had mentioned that there was a lot of water dripping into the tray, and when we inspected it, we did find that water. So we did replace the mechanical valve. As you can see here, this is the old one. And this is that valve that we are referencing. It's in here. It's not really serviceable since it's built into the frame of the mechanical valve, but yeah, so we did replace the entirety of it. So now we're just going to quickly brew a shot, brew some coffee. You may or may not see water come out of there at the beginning. Usually if you let the machine sit though, at the end it'll pour a little bit of coffee, but just not constantly and not during. This is pretty much what we're looking for. As you can see, got that first drop at the beginning, and it's just priming that mechanical valve. And now it's going to start brewing. Looking normal, no drops of water in that drip tray. Gonna get through the whole shot. Now it's gonna dump off that extra brew unit, and you might see some water drip in the corner after the fact, just because it has a little bit of water stuck in the mechanical valve at all times. So yeah, that's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other repairs on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, hit the bell. Thanks for watching.